To create a property valuation, choose the claim you wish to work in and click on the Estimates button. This will show the coverages that you have in this claim. Click and highlight the coverage you want to create a property valuation for, and then click the Property Valuation button. In this new window, you will be able to select the building type. To do this, click the Change button. On the left, you'll notice the building categories. The first selection is General Building. Please refer to the General Building tutorial for more information on this one. We also have the categories Residential, Commercial, and Agricultural Structures. Click on the plus symbol on the left to show the choices under each category. For this tutorial, we will be using Single-Family Home under Residential Structures. Now let's click Select. Now click the button titled Create Valuation. This will open the main valuation window. The first screen is General Information. This is where you'll enter the basic details of the property. The area at the top contains your required fields. You must enter a value for each. Below are your optional fields. If a particular optional field does not pertain to your property, disregard that field and continue through the valuation. After you've completed this screen, click on the Next button. Additionally, you can click on the titles on the left to manually move between sections. Our next screen is Classification. Here you will choose the quality level of an individual section of the property, such as foundation or roofing. Click the Change button. In this example, we have Best, Good, Average, and Low. Click on the Select button next to the quality that best fits the particular item. There are example descriptions beside each selection, but these are only suggestions. Keep in mind, we are selecting the quality of the foundation, not the type of foundation. For example, you may have an average quality concrete slab foundation, even though it is listed as low quality here. If at any time you skip a required field, you will be presented with an alert window. You can simply go back to the previous section and fill in any fields that you may have missed. All of these fields are required and will need to be completed in order for your valuation to total correctly. So, one more. Alright, we're ready to continue. Now we have the Regional Cost Adjustment screen. First, you will choose your state from the drop-down menu. Now, you will be presented with a selection for regions. You will want to select the closest match to where the property is located. Optionally, you can choose none. This will set the adjustment to the state average. You can also put a check mark here if you would like to manually enter your own value. Now let's click the Next button to proceed to the next window. From this point on, all screens are optional. You can proceed as needed. Each building type may offer different screens. Let's take a look at the total screen. If you wish to change either cost per square foot or replacement cost, you will need to put a check mark in this box. Changing either of these values will affect the other directly. Now let's click Next. Here you will see the Additional Items screen. This is where you can manually add any items that you feel should print out on the report. These items will be added to the total. Type a brief name for an item into the description. Now type a number in the quantity box. Insert the individual item price in the cost blank. In the unit field, you can insert a label such as SF for square feet or EA for each. After you've completed your line, the cost will display at the end of the line. After you have entered all of your items, proceed down to the depreciation window. The age of the building will be listed here. This is calculated from the information you submitted earlier. You can change this number if needed. Below, you will see the total depreciation percentage. You can click the button titled Suggest Percentage to automatically determine a depreciation percentage based on the age of the building. Optionally, you can type in any number you would like. You can also put a check mark into this box if you would like to simply supply a dollar amount for depreciation. Now, we need to look at the Reports screen. From here, you can preview, print, or save your report as a PDF file. Once you have completed the property evaluation, to close the window, choose File and click Exit, or simply click the X in the top right-hand side of the window. This will return you to the Estimate screen in PowerClaim XML. Now you can continue through your claims as you need.